it's Jaylene from WTI, and if you love to cook or bake but don't love cleaning up afterward, you'll like this oven liner. So to test out this oven liner, I'll be heating up a frozen pizza in this air fryer, and you can see I've heated it up in a 425-degree oven, and you see it's nice and cooked. And it's also great because it doesn't stick to the oven liner at all, so it's easy and mess-free. So the oven liner does come rolled up, so you unroll and place it on your oven tray or the air fryer, and you can also wash it, so it's good to use over and over again. So what I really love about this copper oven liner is that it's non-stick, it's reusable, so you don't have to keep buying aluminum foil every time, so you don't have to be afraid of your food getting ruined or having to clean whatever appliance you're using it for. It makes cooking and baking so much easier, and that's my point of view.